Top 5 Achieve flawless skin with best exfoliating soap bars.
Exfoliating can be a great way to enhance your skincare regimen, especially if you deal with dry patches or an uneven complexion. Slough away dead skin cells and restore vitality with one of the soap bars on this list. We've selected formulas designed to brighten and buff, including organic, handmade solutions and recipes that help alleviate symptoms caused by psoriasis and eczema. Au Naturals 6 PCs Black Soap. Goshi Exfoliating Shower Towel.
Get your Goshi. Let's begin tonight. Get your Goshi. Let's begin tonight. Get your Goshi. Let's be clean tonight.
Marlo No. 102 Men's Body Scrub Soap. Dove Beauty Bar More Moisturizing. Aspen K Naturals Handmade Calamine Soap Bar.
Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be sharing with you.
Where you want? Buck you down, gun. Where you want that part? Down, gun. Where you want? Buck you down, gun.
But it's also great for washing your face and body. From their Dead Sea Mud and Treasure Soap Bar, Dead Sea Mineral Mud.
Where you want? Buck you down, gun. Where you want that part? Down, gun. Where you want? Buck you down, gun.
For your skin with love. Aspen K Natural Soap Bars are made with sunflower oil.
Where you want? Buck you down, gun. Where you want that part? Down, gun. Where you want? Buck you down, gun.
To think about.
Where you want? Buck you down, gun.
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment.